Oh shoot, here comes Jeannie, our national sales director, and I have not gotten the stuff done she wanted me to do. Oh well, let's see what she has to say.
Hey Joe, I'm excited to see what you have going. Go ahead and show me.
Okay, well, I did get your email, but I haven't put the changes in. You can see in this top panel here that everything's the same as it was the last time. So let me go ahead and pull that up for you, and then the nice thing about you being here is if you want me to change anything, I can do that right away. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go to the little icon there for editing, Jeannie, and we'll get going on this. Alright, so here's the current view of what's there, and that's the only version that's available. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to copy in the stuff from what you sent me in the email, and I'm going to paste that in the HTML view. Okay, now that's what you sent me, so I'm going to go ahead and just commit that, and then we can go from there. What do you think about that?
Wow, that is impressively fast. One thing I would like you to change, if you could, is that information week. Can you make that red?
Yeah, sure, no problem, Jeannie. I'll take care of that while you're here. Okay, one thing I love about this system is that it's so easy to just work together and get this stuff done on the fly. Alright, I'll just highlight that. Change that to red. We'll save it. And preview that. Okay, is that what you're looking for?
Yes, I like that.
Great. Okay.
Hey, under our highlights, can you refresh that so I can see patent pending?
Sure. How's that look for you?
Very good.
No, it's all caps. Did you want that in regular camel case like the other ones, or just leave it like that?
Let's go ahead and put it at the camel case. Try that out.
Gotcha. Okay, so there it is in the grid, and I'll go ahead and change that, and we'll see what that looks like. Submit that. And we'll go back to the home page. And now it's all in camel case.
Okay, I like that, but let's just put it back to all caps. Can we do that?
No problem. Boy, Gina, I'm really glad you guys decided to get this system. It is so easy to make changes that you want.
It really does look easy.
Hey, even I can do this.
Nice.
Okay, so the changes are there. Let's take a look at the home page and make sure that everything came through. Alright, well, we're back to where we started, and that's good. That was easy. Was there anything else that you wanted?
Hey, let's take a look at our customers. Where are you on that?
Okay. We'll take a look at the full compass. Yeah, that looks pretty complete. I think there's one here that I didn't really have started yet. Wisconsin. I think that might be the one I need to add. Yeah, that's it. Well, as soon as you get me the editing code for this, I'll be happy to add it for you.
Okay, I'll get that to you soon.
Okay, Jeannie, since we don't have the content there yet, do you want me to go ahead and just hide that so no one can see it till at least we have the content there?
Yeah, good plan. Let's go with that.
Alright, let me show you how easy this system is. You would not believe it. Okay, the menu navigation on this, the management of it is just incredibly easy. Go ahead and go to that area. I don't know when's the last time you've been able to look at this, but you know, you've got all your navigation items here. Let's see, under here we've got state of Wisconsin. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to delete this, I'm just going to disable it. And what's nice about this is that not only will it remove it from the navigation system, but it'll also prevent people from being able to navigate to it from anywhere on the site. So I'm going to go ahead and thank God they give us such nice training, because this is so easy to use after just a small amount of time. Alright, okay, I don't remember where the state of Wisconsin is, so I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick search for that. And obviously we aren't going to do an exact search on it. We'll set that for similar, and not going to do a case sensitive because that'll cause a problem, obviously. I just do a multi-node search just in case. We'll click on search. Oh, it actually found it in 2 spots. Now there's another area where you had sent me a change, and I had it disabled, and you can see that in gray where our customers is grayed out in all of its child nodes. So let's do first things first. I'm going to deselect the multi-node select, and then for the state of Wisconsin, since you don't want people to see that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to disable that real quick for you. And I'm going to update that node. And submit that. Alright, now if we go back to the home page, you're going to see that the changes took place right away, because, Jeannie, when I go down and I click on state of Wisconsin, you're going to see that it kicks me back to the home page. And so it's essentially what we did by disabling is that we just prevent people from seeing what we're working on. If I go up to About Us and Our Customers, you can see that it's not there either. So, boy, I tell you, I just love this.
Wow, that disable feature is great. That was really easy, and it's really nice to know that people can't just go into areas that aren't complete yet, and that way they just see things that are the way we want them. Now, I was just wondering, can you switch around the format a little bit? Some of those regions, can you play with that?
I sure can. Let me show you how easy that is. Okay, so first, Jeannie, what I'm not sure if you remember from the presentation that they gave, but this is a full collaboration site, so I can change my look and feel on the site and what I see. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag YUS over, and if I go and navigate to another page and then navigate back, you're going to see that YUS moved to the center region, and it stays there exactly as we wanted. Okay. Now, in order for me to change the look and feel for the non-authenticated user, which I'm sure that's what you wanted, we'll go ahead and do that. And so I'm going to go ahead and set the site filter. And I'm going to do a filter on non-authenticated. Now you're going to see that the view changes quite dramatically on the home page. Okay, so this is what the non-authenticated user sees. You can see YS is back over on the right. Now the Y the why us, something that might be interesting to change that to, how about like why choose us? Would that sound better than why us?
I think that's a great idea.
Okay, let me go ahead and change that. Submit it. And we'll go back to the home page and see how it looks.
I like that. It looks really good there. Can we move some other things around, like maybe move our customers right above lunch and learn?
Sure. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, now that kind of pushed things a little bit out of the way. Let's see if I can shrink this down. You can see what I mean by that.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I like that.
Now, because when this gets expanded, it moves the material off of the region. Should we balance this out by moving some of these others around?
Yeah, that would look good.
Okay, let's take this and move this over there. Let's try lunch and learn over here. And then we'll try you decide over here. And if we expand this one back, that looks a little bit more balanced. Let me
I like how easy you can change things. I kind of like it better the way it was. Can you do that?
yeah, you certainly can. Okay. Let's see, our customers was over here, and we had lunch and learn over there, and custom search was over here, and you decide was under here. Okay, so we're back to where we were before, and I can kind of demonstrate that for you by moving away and then going back to that page. And so you can see that all of our changes took and are exactly as we would expect. Now if I go and shut the filter off and go back to my own view, you're going to see now that why us is in the middle. It doesn't say why choose us and so on. So I have full control myself to control exactly how things look, and then we also have that for the client. Now to finish this up, Jeannie, I'm gonna is there anything else that you want, or is this okay?
I really like it. Let's go with this.
Okay. I'm gonna log out, and then you'll see that when I do that, that back to the non-authenticated view, and you can see that things are exactly the way that you'd wanted. Alright, well Jeannie, I'm really glad that you stopped by, and it certainly made it a lot easier for you just to tell me what to do while you were here. And when you get me the changes for the state of Wisconsin, I'll put those in. Thanks a lot.
It was great working with you, Joe. I love your program.
Thanks. Bye.